How to hide notification content on Google Messages. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add notification content on Google Messages. So let's go right into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Google Messages application installed on your mobile device. And then once you've done that, go ahead and open up the device. Open up the app. So once the app has been opened, you'll be brought to your messages page where you see all of your messages. And then the next thing for you to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed showcasing your Google account, archive, spam and blocked, mark all as red, device pairing, your data in messages, messages settings. So just click on messages settings. Okay. Then once click on messages settings, you take it to the settings page, select general, and then on this page you'll see so many options such as RCS chat notifications, bubbles, send photos fast, etc. Okay, just select notifications. And the ones that has been selected, if you take it to the notifications page where you'll see allow notifications, banners, all default notification settings, etc. Just for you to hide notifications, just tap on this toggle, and then once it's turned off, notifications will be turned off automatically as well. It will be hidden. Alright, so it is that simple. So if you want to hide your notification content, just tap on this and your notification content will be hidden. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.